Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about the Hive new points and tokens that we are getting, which we can really access from the phone. Earlier I used to access from the Google Chrome from by using an extension, but without that we can now easily can see what are the tokens you got behind your Hive account, because there are a lot of contest is happening from shadow hunters community and amazing nature. So out of that, once you are playing contest or posting the articles based on the boards and all, there are some certain rewards you are achieving. So those rewards or token are actually preserving into a place which is Hive keychain, so that you can really access from your phone. So we have an app called Hive keychain. You can find it on Apple Store at the moment, and here you can see my Hive dollars, then Hive and Hive powers. These are all together they're showing, and then here you can see the token menu bar. So once you click here, the tokens will be available here. So here the amount is showing is 32, which I am right now having this. And if you want to see the price of it, is 0.04 cent. At the moment these tokens are not globally opened like in coin market cap as a crypto token, but these are actually playing around into the Hive keychain. So these you can maybe transfer to a friend. Also you can see the balance here, the history. So there are lot more things they're working on the Hive keychain system. So later on they'll give better access on proper uses of this token, and then maybe someday we can convert them into the Hive and Hive dollars around that. And further, if you have anything based on these tokens, rather sending around the Hive community, then please you can definitely share with me by commenting in this video. So yeah, today that's all for today. I think see you in next video. Thank you. Bye. Ciao.